Hi everybody, this is my snack for today. I'm splurging a little bit. I decided to go ahead since I bought all those delicious cheeses. I don't want them to go to waste. Um, but anyway, so I'm being very sparse with it. I used 1 ounce of cheese. It is a shredded cheddar. And 4 tablespoons of salsa, but the salsa is not organic or anything. It's just plain salsa, south of the border salsa. um, and 1 ounce of pork rinds, and 1 ounce of fresh chopped jalapenos. And let me tell you, with the pork rinds, this is fat filled. It has very low carbs. I think a total is around 3 to 4 carbs at most. And you mostly get that. The cheese has no carbs in it. It's a good organic shredded cheese. It's a high quality cheese that has no carbs. But I'm not. With the 4 tablespoons of the salsa, it reads on the package, it's 2 carbs. I'm not sure about the peppers. I'm not even going to count the jalapenos because if it does have any carbs, it's so little, it's not even a factor to me. But anyway, this is a great keto snack. And that's it. And I just pop it all together. And so I measure it all out on the food scale into the microwave for 1 minute, and it's delicious, and I enjoy this very much. And that's it. I'm on day 12 of my keto.